Dah. Yeah. Assalamualaikum and hi. We are from S1/2 Group 3. And in this video, we're going to do Lab 4, which is Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition, or SCADA System 1 for subject Flexible Manufacturing System. Okay. So in this laboratories, we're going to have three tasks, which is the task 1 is getting started with Omron CS Supervisor. Task 2, basic PLC SCADA using Omron CS Programmer and also Omron CS Supervisor. And also task 3, basic PLC SCADA programming for an automatic car garage door system. So without further ado, let's continue with the task 1. So as you can see here, this is the task 1. The task 1 is we need to do a basic on-off light switch program using the only Omron CS Supervisor without linking any other PLC programming software. So as you can see on my left side of my screen, this is the CS Supervisor. We have our you can say that say apa nama dia ni? Street light.
Like,
Traffic light, and also a button to turn on the light button. So let's continue with the simulation. Okay, so this is the traffic light that we have created. As you can see, only one light is turned on since it's because it is on off state. So when we turn on the button, then the green light will turn on and the red light will turn off. So that is for the task 1. So let's continue with the task 2. Okay, so here is the task 2. We have we connected the PLC head supervisor and also CS programmer in order to create a motor on off switching operation. So we're gonna create something like this and then run it. So which is the task 2. Okay, so here is the task 2. So let us set this to off back. Okay. What the heck happened? Okay. So we continue with the task 2, which is wait a minute. Oh, okay. So let us continue with the task 2. So Bell, stop jap video.
So for the task 3, basically it's about basic PLC SCADA programming for an automatic car garage door system. So this is the system operation that we have to do. So in this operation, we have ultrasonic sensor, motor, upper limit switch, lower limit switch, and photoelectric sensor. Also door, garage door. So this is our ladder diagram, and this is our application from CS supervisor. So firstly, we have to run our ladder diagram, CS programmer, and transfer to PLC. Okay. Okay, once it's function, we have to connect the CS supervisor, run with CS simulator. Right. Okay, so for the first condition, we can see at initial condition, firstly, the garage door is closed. So this is the initial condition. So when the system detects an approaching car,
We need to start the system first. Hello?
and
Hilang.
start. We
Oh, okay.
already start the system.
Alright.
Yeah. Okay, then upper limit. So the door will open. And photoelectric sensor detect. Okay. Mustaki, you want to continue?
Okay. When the photoelectric detect a car going inside the garage, and then the ultrasonic sensor will sense an absence of car, and then it will turn off, right? Turn off the ultrasonic sensor.
Alright.
And when the car is inside the garage, photoelectric sensor will not detect anything and off it, right? So when the ultrasonic sensor and photoelectric sensor did not detect anything, the what's called the door will close. So off the upper limit first, and then turn on the lower limit. So the motor will stop from continuously closing the door, right? So now we want to exit from our house. So we push button inside the house from the garage. Okay, push the exit button. Alright. So now the door will open. Okay. Turn off the lower limit. Turn on the upper limit. So the door is now open. And then the car will start moving out. Turn on the ultrasonic sensor because the sorry, not ultrasonic sensor. Photoelectric sensor because the photoelectric sensor will detect the car is going out from the garage. And then when the hood of the car is detected by ultrasonic sensor, turn on the ultrasonic sensor. Okay. Like so when the ultrasonic sensor detect car and then it's out from the garage, and then photoelectric sensor did not detect anything, turn off the photoelectric sensor. And then the car is go away, far away from the garage, turn off the ultrasonic sensor. And then the upper limit turn off, and the door will close down until it touch lower limit, and the motor will stop. turn on the lower limit. Okay. Alright, that's all. Thank you. So now the door is closed. Okay.
Yeah.
Push stop button.